Charlotte. It's okay. Good girl. Get your head up. It looks like she's trying to flip over. Hear her fingernails scraping the mat. Look at that leg going up. You gonna flip over for us early? I see your head up. Oh, you're trying so hard. Here, you want over? Ooh, there we go. That's what she wanted. Oh, you're okay. Yeah, that one's your favorite. Oh, Charlotte. Ooh, look at those legs go. You're okay. Oh, you silly girl. There you go. Oh, what's the matter?